No, no, no. No, they go very much. Come on, carry your banner. Okay. My name is Comrade Princeway, and we are delegates of the Presidential Amnesty Program who are undergoing a training in the different training centers all over the Niger Delta. Bayelsa State, Rivers State, Delta State, Ondo State. So we are here for a peaceful protest. The new interim administrator came in and brought a blueprint for us. And his blueprint stated that he would train us and he would empower us. He wouldn't mention anything about exit. So last week he sent some officials from Abuja to come and meet us in our various centers, and they brought a form that specified that it was an empowerment grant scheme. Now they verbally told us that if you fill this form, you will be evicted from the program. While his boss has already said it to the whole world, that there is no more evicting, there is no more exiting, there is no more winding down of the program. So we came here for a peaceful protest, and our demand is very, very simple. If he knows our fundamental entitlements and benefits for the program, he should provide it. Our laptops, our training allowance, and our empowerment scheme, he should provide it. For now, we have just 13 days for the training to end. And if these demands are not met, we will not, I repeat, we will not vacate every training center we are. We will not vacate till they bring our allowance back and keep paying us our stipends. Haiza! Yeah! Haiza! Yeah! Asawana!
Haiza! Yeah! Haiza! Yeah! Briguriza! Yeah! Is that about me? Yeah. My name's Agulaso Otolo Ibiri Emmanuel, and I'm a beneficiary, a delegate of the Presidential Amnesty Program, undergoing training on OSP response, cleanup and remediation under Jolie Company. And I want to say that having gone this far through the Presidential Amnesty Program that was declared over 10 years ago, that many of the delegates have been shortchanged. All the agreement that was reached with the federal government concerning this amnesty program have not been implemented. And now this new interim administrator came in that he wants to train, empower, and exit delegates from this program. It is unacceptable by us. And based on the training we are going through, if really they want to wind down the program, which we have not been informed officially, we need a very good empowerment. Let them go into the agreement. Every delegate is expected to have a 2-bedroom flat, a car, and a good sum of money to live our life as normal citizens all over the world where oil is being produced. Look at Qatar. Look at United Arab Emirates. All their citizens are living well. What have we done wrong as people who are agitating for a better living in Niger Delta? So we are calling on the federal government to come and look into this matter. We cannot, having stayed for over 10 years, and our stipends of 65,000, it cannot buy even a bag of rice. Now 750, they said they want to come and give us 750,000 so that we can be exited. We said we will not accept that. Let them go to the agreement. When we started this training, they said it's train, employ, and mentor. But along the line, the coordinator was changed, and the new man came with a policy that is not well with us. So we are saying we are not going to accept it. Let the amnesty agreement be reached and be implemented fully so that our lives can be better. That's what not be so.
Hello. My name is Joseph Menawo. I am from Rivers State, a Jolie trainee. And before we drop amnesty, before we drop our gun, all the promise, as allowance, nothing was made. And before we come to this OSP response, they told us we will train, empower, and employ. But now the new man came. We don't understand exit. They are bringing 750,000 to us to say it exists. Now somebody will leave his house for 6 months, leave his parents, no hustling, nothing. Remember, if somebody is hustling for that 6 months, how much is the person will achieve?